ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Down, 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 down. One and two does get lost, get lost, get lost. One and two does get lost, get lost. Down, 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 down. A patriarchy down, 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 down. A moral policing down, 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 down. A misogyny down, 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 down. A sexism down, 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 down. A sexual abuse down, 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 down.
Ki Samla Pule jangka skol ba Nehu ringkat bagi research scholars forum jangka skol ba Nehu ki bedap da jing Bitar Shla lo ka jing Thombor jang sports director ka skol ba Nehu Nantu das ubatreru kumu in charge jangka security ya kuai ka referee kilarung da ka bor Hapoh ka conference hall ha ka por ba vice chancellor ka skol ba Nehu professor PS Shla urang shong jingalang bat ki officer jangka ni ka skol ba ha ka arpo tari unai wing anata arpulai Lasakhiru bu Vice Chancellor lahap ban pendam hakmat ki Samla Pule daga basoy yakashithi ke baka Nehu su kala IT hau ban Dawa bu de ban Wenglot iki kam bala pen khamti hau Nantu das ki Samla Pule hakajing kran bekla patai khubor kila iPod Sngi kinthi yu Vice Chancellor ban Wengkam yu Nantu das bat hakaju ko por kila pen pau ba kim sngan show ila ka jong ka jingem dada ki don kum kini ki nong tre Hapoh ka ni ka skol ba ki bashlan ban Thombor ya ka longring nyeng jong ki kinthai
Get lost, get lost. One and two does get lost, get lost, get lost. One and two does down, 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 down.
He should be immediately removed in 3 days, and his acts is unacceptable. And we stand in solidarity with the victim, and we want him to be removed as the assistant sports security and all the posts that he holds as the security in charge.
One and two does down, 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 down. One and two does down, 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 down. One and two does get lost, get lost, get lost. One and two does get lost, get lost, get lost. One and two does shame, 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 shame. One and two does shame, 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 shame. One and two does get lost, get lost, get lost. One and two does shame, 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 shame. One and two does shame, 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 shame. Sexual harassment down, 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 down.
I would like to watch it, just
Ready to take with the Vice Chancellor. Let me come out. Our meeting is over.
just submitting the member to the person.
Down, 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 down. One and two does down, down.
Just sit down here.
What is it? 3 days. We want his removal, sir. 3 days, sir. Within 3 days.
No, I'm just indicating there is a procedure. No, first, all of you are.
What about our safety? There's a procedure for people like him, who harasses women just because he's in a higher position like that.
Yeah.
What about the safety of the students and women also? There's no
No, I can ensure my student. I am going to take the hard decision. We already taken my team is already working.
What decision did you take?
But you take the hard decision. Yeah.
So the decision is easy, removal of Nantu das from all the posts in Delhi.
Yes, I just need to do one. Give me the 1 or 2 day time, no.
So within 3 days, sir, we've given the.
Within 3 days I will do.
So it's not just about...
No, within 3 days, yes, within 3 days I will do.
So it's also about the discrimination against women that is going on in the campus. So moral policing, the way administration has been moral policing us. Along with that, everything has been restricted only towards women, We can't go outside after 8. If you're not safe within the campus, what's the purpose of being in the campus? There's a lot of issue every time.
Issues are there, and even other things are there.
This is about the safety
our students, especially women students, in the
That's the
I am
priority, sir.
going to take. We already taken a hard decision.
and the security.
Suspended one professor. I think might be all of you know. Some other cases we already taken one decision, and in this case, I can ensure my student I am going to take the hard decision. But there is a system, no. You can follow directly. Within that, you are giving the 3 days time, no? Within the 3 days, you are going to do this. Yesterday I came back in the night near about 9 p.m. Someone already informed and made a discussion with the registrar and other officers of the university, and they are already working on that. Okay, so procedurally, I'm going to take the decision. But to complete the process, it may take some time. No, already all of you are given me the 3 days time, and within 3 days time, I will take the decision.
So what kind of action will you take to ensure that this kind of act will never happen again in this campus?
According to the system of the university. University already have a system. According to the system of the university. Yes.
So your signature.
My signature, this is
Nehu VC sign karo!
Sign karo, sign karo.
So your signature.
my signature. My signature is not required in this case.
No.
Sign.
Solid proof, right?
Solid proof means
That you
it
are
is this is my office signature.
I know, sir.
My office signature is
Who is the sign?
sign.
Who is the sign? Who is the sign?
Vice Chancellor is going to sign anything without any record. No one can find out. Either my IP
Sir, if you condemn, then what's the problem? Can you explain us what's the problem in? Yes, if you condemn his action, what's the problem in signing that?
This is not a system.
give us a sense
Okay,
of assurance
any
that you
Vice
are
Chancellor is not a receiving officer. Vice Chancellor office already have a receiving
Sir, we
department,
remove
and
that.
we already
So we have multiple complaints against that person.
Just like last time.
multiple complaints.
Sir, just last time also you did.
Yes.
No, I have not received anything, any complaint in the past.
Exactly.
Memorandum you did sign, there was no problem. So now what's the problem?
Sir, last time also first register signed and then you signed.
Yes,
So
sir.
kindly do the same process. Let them.
Okay, no, this is not. I'm going to write
assurance
anything.
that you are with us. No, just give us
Yes,
sign.
sir. If you would ask me,
No,
sign.
this is not a system. No, you cannot.
Get the register
This
signed.
is my humble request to all the students. Please follow the system of the university. You can't do anything. You are the student, I am ready to accept it. But always follow the system of the university. No, I would like to develop a system in the university, and my office is already dictating. He is going to put up and me accordingly. Okay. Never I receive. Receive one copy in the office and give one copy to the student. Please maintain and also develop a system.
Sir, but there is harassment of the case.
Yeah, of course. That's why going to take a hard decision under the rules and system.
That's no hard decision.
So please, Google just
no
not
system
going without
for sexual
following any the system. No, he can also
sir,
go.
we don't want to see him around again, sir.
He doesn't feel safe around him anymore, sir.
He can also go in the on the basis of the university of not following the any system. That's why the Please don't go. Please don't.
We don't want to discuss your meeting.
Meeting is already over, and thanks to all the students for cooperation to conduct the meeting. And this is a very crucial meeting, financial meeting of the university. Students want to do anything, I am always with the student. Not today, it's the past.
It is a crucial matter.
Definitely, this is a
Safety and security. So, students, in order to feel safe, we need your signature. It means something for us.
A father figure in the university.
Yes, sir.
So, sir, we need your signature.
You have to
That's all.
prioritize this matter.
It's for the emotional safety of the students here. Kindly, sir.
You are just
So
so
that
that father figure in the university.
That's my signature.
Student unity, long live! Long live! Long live! Student unity, long live! Long live! Long live! Student power, long live! Long live! Long live! Student power, long live!
Take a photo. Photocopy to give him that one copy to. Other, this is very simple. The whoever is, neither one is जो है Nantu Das, any other, either any जो है teacher, not teaching, and others are going to involve in this activity. This is very simple, and I'm going to condemn this type of activity in the campus also, and definitely under the rules and regulations, ready to take the hard decision.
So today's meeting is about that, or is it about something?
No, this is meeting is finance committee. The finance committee meeting is already scheduled before the 15th session. We already conducted the one meeting with the KCU, another meeting with the Nehu. But I can ensure my students, I'm not going to tolerate such type of activity in the campus.
Ini Dawa ya university ya administration mau kin remove no mar ya na po post show, but because kim don jaka ya ko mutu jat bri ka university dingi du ni layo nai taru ni layo show ki don kena balayo sim la ka balayo kani ko bon ki la don ki ba wan ini ba ulale show ki kam ini kalau jangan ta insa okasi thi bayo nai ta kena
dengan syurit bila bisa kan ka shiti long this is to inform you that I as a student of Nehu and I have been playing college events due to which I have to talk with the sports director, and he has called me unnecessarily many times alone. During every meeting he has made me feel uncomfortable with his comments, and he has also threatened me regarding participation in game. I do not want to reveal my identity as I am still scared. Then lama suku na kani ba ki kena kala jujat teng hen lagi pajulut banwan chakmat. Keling ba kini ba kilayo complain menenting kena du kila khandu banwan chakmat ba. Ni dai le ka ba. Ki du ki ba kinum tieng ha ba ki ja kum kini ki ba kinang wan bet chakmat. Ban ai bi complain segi la dadan balik kum kata. Ba kinum tieng ba kinum
one bit chakmat kambani kontra union nila banishil action hadi ya kita ki brave balik kum kita ki kam and ni ba om ba ko campus ni ba jadi bentuk ki brave ba yang ki ba ban de compose ko security in charge kambani ni social na ko university ba ni yo smo ba chale board ko ni smo air mo ba ha ka university nimla ban ya like load ni don be da ka jinx air means they nismo ting ba don security in charge ubalik kum kata kam
but ni program juro kini ka jingle jong u namar kam dei ka kam ka ba kadai ka kam ka ba chaklia tam but kadai ka ba penjak buram om tang ya u hero kadai penjak buram ya university barok kuai ni kena barok kuai ba di kinong hikai barok kuai de ni kum ka Nehu su ni yang hang ni ban program jur ya udah das ya kini ki jingle jong
and yang jaga jing sekolah meru ya itai bala shat de thambo ha unan das
Ti nakaliang jong research scholar forum nga kwa ban ong ba kani ka eke jingle jong unan tu das ka long ngi ki khna research ru khamtam mangi ki researcher ki babon ki bawan na ki labs ki batre ha ki labs jong ki teng teng hadej ko beje khre beje or dalam yet so ka long ngi bangin feel unsafe la don ko uni ujat breu ha kani ka yute nakaliang jong irungi demand ban wen no nakakam jong u assistant director jong ka sports department ban ku chu ru u bade u in charge jong ka security jong ka ni u haba u nong penyat i u nong pet hi ka ka security jong ka ni hu ulong kum ne te ni ngin ngulong safe kum no ki kan thei mo ki kan thei ba pule ha kan ni university te ni demand ban weng no yu kum ba ki la ong ki ni hu su pangin aya ka license ka pot ban weng no yu te ngi mangi ru ngi support ya kata ka demand jong ka ni hu su